everyone, it's Jason with My RV Inspection and MyRVResource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV service providers. Find anything you need wherever you need it across the country. Make sure you check it out. Today I'm coming to you with another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. And just can't say it enough. These manufacturers aren't building these the way they should. And today I am inspecting a brand new RV that was just purchased. We prefer to do the inspection before you purchase so you can get those repairs done prior to delivery, but these folks purchased this and saw a few things wrong and decided they better get an inspector out here before they take it back to the dealership so they can get everything fixed in one shot. So today I found a pretty serious issue on a ladder. RV ladders aren't the greatest. After a while they get loose. Probably should never even use one. But today, on a brand new RV, we have a ladder mount that was installed upside down and can be very dangerous for anybody using that ladder. So let's go take a look at what I'm seeing. So this travel trailer has a mount, and all the screws are on the bottom mount, correct? So what that does is when you put weight on the ladder, it pulls the top part of the mount away from the RV, okay? If that was mounted on top, when you put weight on it, the mount would push towards the RV and give it more stability. You also see that the mount is not flush with the wall. And it's this way on both sides. Now, we're going to walk away from it a little bit. We're going to look at this ladder. Doing some measurements, I found that the mount on the bottom is not centered with the mount on the top. So that actual ladder is a little farther left on the bottom than it is on the top. Might be easier to see if I get a little closer up on this mount. But see how that rung is crooked? So there's really not a good fix for that because the mounts are already on the sidewall. There's not a good fix for any of it. But this could be hazardous. If that bottom mount breaks, you're going to fall off that ladder. You don't have to be that high to injure yourself very badly, or it could even kill you, a fall from the top of this RV. So let's, I'm going to put some pictures in here of the measurements on the mount. And then I'm going to go and just show you how new this RV is. So there's the date of manufacture, and it was just purchased last month. So this one's this one has sat on the dealership lot for quite a while, just like that. And it's dangerous, very dangerous. Had it been caught before they left the dealership, they could have had it fixed right before they walked away. This is just one, of the probably 15 things I found so far. And it's before 10 o'clock in the morning. So make sure you're getting your RV inspection before you purchase. This is your weekly one reason to get that RV inspection. And I'm Jason with My RV Inspection, the only master certified inspection couple in Florida. We're two of only 4 in the country. MyRVResource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV service providers. Find yourself a certified RV inspector, a mobile tech, a repair shop, a dealership, storage lot detailing, towing, transport, all kinds of things on there. Make sure you check it out. And with that being said, you have a nice day.